Hi, I'm Kelsey Crenshaw. I'm a bartender at the Renaissance Ross Bridge Golf Resort and Spa here in Birmingham, Alabama. I've been bartending about 25 years. I'm here in my kitchen, and I wanted to show you how to make one of the most popular cocktails on our cocktail menu that I created almost 10 years ago. So for this, you're going to need a shaker. So get yourself a pint glass or something hard with a good base that you can cap off with some sort of a shaker. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. My mom made this for me. She's a sweet woman. And 2 tablespoons. Measure it like you like. But basically you're going to look for about 2 fingers worth from the top, give or take. Always start with the least expensive ingredients first. We're going to put an ounce of lemon juice to this. I'm making 2 variations of this cocktail. I don't have exactly what I need at my house to make this. I will give you the full recipe to make it your house if you'd like, per the recipe. But you can do this with a lot of stuff in your kitchen, so don't be scared. So to the strawberry jam and the 2 ounces of lemon juice, I've got, or 1 ounce of lemon juice, I've got 2 ounces of vodka. And then we're going to add some ice to it. Fill it all the way up to the top with ice, and you're going to shake this thing about 15 times. Remember, as you're shaking, you're adding water to the cocktail, so it's important. Don't shake it too much. It's going to get too watery. Here we go. Get yourself something to strain it with. If you've got a cocktail strainer, perfect. If not, you can use a fine mesh strainer. That's going to take a little bit more of the pieces of it out of the cocktail. Give it a strain out. You'll see it's got that nice pink color, just like strawberry lemonade. This is a riff on a strawberry lemonade martini. Now for the second variation, we're going to take fresh strawberries. You're going to need about 3 medium-sized strawberries. I've got some pieces cut up here. Put them in the bottom of your glass. Start with those first. Then take yourself something to muddle with. If you've got a muddler, great. I've got a wooden spoon because I'm at home. Might take a little longer with that, but not a big deal. When you're muddling, make sure you're seeing some of the juice from the strawberries come out. You're going to want to break them up, mush them up enough to where that juice is just coming straight out of the fruit. You don't have to obliterate them, tear them into shreds or anything, but just get them mushed up enough where the cocktail is going to get that strawberry juice into it. So, you know, about like that. You can see the juice in there. And then you're going to add an ounce of lemon juice. And ordinarily you'd be putting about half an ounce of agave syrup in there, agave nectar. Don't have it at my house. I do have some brown sugar syrup that I made up. Equal parts sugar to hot water, whatever kind of sugar you want to use. I just happen to want to use brown, so we're going to go with it. About an ounce of that. And then we've got 2 ounces of vodka coming in. And again, you're going to want to fill this up with ice all the way up to the top. You're going to have to shake it a little bit longer this time. Go. So we're going to shake this probably about 25 times. That usually gets the right amount. What it's doing is it's breaking up the strawberries a little bit more for you, adding all that juice into there. So remember to smile when you shake. Show us your shaker face. And get yourself that strainer again. You can use the fine mesh one if you like to on top of this and double strain it, but it's going to take all this lovely bit of strawberry out of here that you have, which kind of adds to the character of the cocktail. If you've got a little piece of strawberry left over, maybe use it for a cocktail garnish. Now it's my favorite part. Time to try. Try version number 1 with the jam. Nice, sweet, just like a strawberry lemonade would be. And that one's just a little bit more fresh and a little bit more mellow. I hope you guys have fun with this. Good luck, keep well, and I'll see you soon.